Before we open Photoshop, I want to take a moment and give you a brief insight into my learning approach so you can take the maximum out of this class. I'm very passionate when it comes to studying perspective or anatomy or colors or color theory in general, and have these things in dissected individual parts. However, there's a completely different approach that we often do that is almost inbuilt, and even as children, we have the same approach. And that is a wholesome approach in which we just copy. And this is so powerful because many things we learned along the way, we learned through copying. Very often, we want to go to our mind first, or we want to go to understanding things first, without approaching them as they are. And especially in the mind-oriented world we are living in right now, the approach of copying is highly underestimated. So this class is made that you have an easy way of copying each step. Now there are two ways of actually going through this class. The one way is to use the same motifs and actually copy the exact same scenery. The other way, and maybe this could be the second time you're going through the class, is to come with your own idea and just move through all the steps with your personal vision in mind. Alright, now I won't bother you with any more video before the class. So let's go straight into creating our custom brush.